Everybody, what's up? Gonna do Pretty Boy by Cannons. Originally is by The Neighborhood, but Cannons did a cover of it. These are the chords. They're not playing them exactly this way. This would be like how I play it if I was doing it like myself as the only instrument. Play the full chords like this. But if I was in a band, I'd use more of like triads. So let's go over these chords first. C sharp major 7 at the 4th fret. G sharp minor 7 at the 4th fret. And then just a regular F sharp chord at the 2nd fret. So how are they playing it? Well, they're a band, so we got a bass, we got vocals, we got keyboards. So he's playing it probably up here, but I'll just show you one way to play it. All right, if I was in a band, I could play this. This is what we're playing for the C sharp major 7. It's like a D, like we learned to play the D minor. Except play it at the 4th fret and only play the top 3 strings. That's our major 7 substitute. Then we're just gonna bar the 4th fret across the top 4 strings. That's our F sharp minor 7. And then we're going to do this simple F shape like we play, but we're going to just move it up to the 2nd fret, and that's F sharp now. So that's the first way you could play it. Now I think he's playing it here at the 9th fret. We have a C sharp note. So we can play C sharp major 7. And then at the 11th, that was at the 9, and then we go to 11 for the G sharp minor 7. And then at the 11, we can also play the F sharp. All right, and we're gonna play like the other one. We're gonna play partials. This is probably more like he's playing it. This is what we're going to play as substitutes. We're going to take like this A minor shape that we learn in the open. We're just going to play strings G and B and also the D. We'll play that at the 9th fret. By the way, I got a lot of reverb on this. It's going to be what we play for the C sharp major 7. Just that A minor shape at the 9th fret. And then for the G sharp minor 7, we're going to play this little stair step shape. At the 11. And then we're going to play like an A chord like we play down here at the 2nd fret. You're going to play it at the 11 too. And you probably use your index finger. That's for the F sharp. I you play something like that, I wasn't doing it in time, but I'm at the D string at the 11. Go to the 15 where your dot is. Go to 18 where there's no dot. It's all on the D string. Go up to the 20 where there's no dot. And then 11. Dot. No dot. No dot. Okay, that was a good request. Good to go over those chords. Thanks for watching. Bye.